Thank you all for joining us here today. It's my pleasure to welcome you all as we gather to celebrate Masaood Automobile's INFINITI outstanding achievement for the fiscal year 2020. Teamwork, one of Project Falcon's values, allows us to reach the heights of excellence and perform the extraordinary. We have proven that success is never an accident. As a matter of fact, it's always the result of high intention, resilience, determination, and skillful execution.
Absolutely the year that I'm most proud of in my whole career of 40 years in this business, alone for the fact the way our teams have looked after the company and well-being of the organization. Our number one priority at Masaood is to look after the well-being of our team members and our customers. We could not have done this without our counterparts and partners at INFINITI Middle East. INFINITI, it's Masaood working together to create the success that they have created. I'm very grateful, I'm very thankful, and congratulations to you all.
INFINITI Overall Achievement Award for FY20 represents excellence across all categories. So this isn't an award just for one department, it's an overall achievement award. So it includes sales, it includes after sales, and it includes customer experience. And everyone is struggling just to survive during this pandemic. For one organization to stand out and be able to increase their market share, most notably 22% increase in QX80 sales, which is our flagship SUV. That's a huge accomplishment. They did all of this while keeping a very close eye on the customer and providing world-class service in both the sales department and the service department. So this is really, really a fantastic achievement.